What's up, guys? Today we're checking out this wireless CarPlay stereo. This one's by the brand SPRLEAF, and this is a 10.26-inch display that this stereo has. It's touchscreen. Let me show you real quick. So this is like a wireless CarPlay stereo and dash camera. It has a built-in dash camera in the back. Here's what it looks like. This can be used like in older cars or newer cars, RVs, almost anything that you want to have wireless CarPlay. It does have this nice mount here at the bottom. It's adjustable up and down. And on the right side, we do have an auxiliary cord. We have a SD card slot, an AV in, and a Type-C for the power. So this is what we get inside the box. We get the auxiliary cord. We get a backup camera. So you get a backup camera. So in case your car doesn't have a backup camera, you can get a backup camera now. And it comes with everything you need to pretty much set it up. And then we even get the memory card for the dash cam, the user manual by SPRLEAF, and the power supply, which is a cigarette lighter USB-C connection. So what we're gonna do right now, we're actually gonna go outside, we're gonna plug it in, we're gonna check out the features of this smart wireless CarPlay stereo. So we have our display already connected to the power, guys. As you guys can see, we have our smartphone, which is an Android phone. You can do Android or Apple CarPlay on it. So on one side, you can have your Google Maps. You can have all the apps that you use on your Android device on here. So YouTube Music, WhatsApp, phone calls, Amazon, and everything else like that. What's unique about this screen, it's touchscreen, as I mentioned, and it even has other features. So it has CarPlay, AirPlay, playback, so you can watch movies on there through the AirPlay. And it also records because it has a built-in dash camera. So the built-in dash camera is right here, and you'll be able to record at the same time while you're driving. It does have a backup camera, so you'll be able to record the back as well. And it's a very unique feature. So a lot of features on this touchscreen, a lot of features like you can also play and talk on the phone through it. And you know, this will make if your stereo is not a smart stereo, this is a stereo where you can actually pair your device a lot easier and have more features.